Hey guys, how's it going? Diana here from MILLIONAIRE Quest. It's Tuesday, just kidding, it's hump day, and it is 7:15 in the morning. I went to bed at 2, not because I was working on my business, but because my sister came home late, and the dog, since he sleeps with her, and she wasn't in her bed, he couldn't sleep, so he just kept running back and forth between my room and her room, trying to find his comfortable spot. But anyways, I'm on my way to work right now, and honestly, I listened to this Gary Vee podcast / YouTube video, and he basically said you have to eat shit for 24 months so you can eat caviar for the rest of your life. And one thing that I think I mentioned in one of my previous videos was that I got to this point where I was just settling in my business, and I was settling in the results of my business, and I was settling with what I was making with my day job. Because like I said, I'm still working a day job, and that's what helps pay my bills while I work on my business, so I can grow that and ultimately increase the amount of time I work at my day job until I could eventually quit, which is the goal of, being an affiliate marketing entrepreneur. And it just got to the point where I was barely getting by. Like, I was working like 35 hours a week, and now it's just gotten down to the point I was working 25-30 hours a week. So then I started doing Uber, and I just got to the point where I was just like, I can't keep focusing on the stress of not paying my bills on time, because that stress is what's holding me back from working on my business and achieving the results. And like I've said before, free traffic is great for your business. It's a great way to build your brand, and obviously it's a lot more economical than paid traffic, but I've come to the realization that paid traffic is literally what's going to explode my business. And if I don't jump on that, then I'm just never going to see the results that I want. And it's going to come down to consistency with producing valuable content and paid traffic. The two, they have to go hand in hand. So that's what I have to do. That's what I'm doing now. You got to put up or shut up. I finally got my shit together. I'm working 2 jobs now. Uber just wasn't making me enough, and it was just like wearing and tearing my car down. But like I said, if you're looking to make extra money, Uber's great, but it's not a business by any means. So yeah, right now I'm on my way to work. I work from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at one job, and then the next job I work from 5 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. It depends on how long it takes us to close. But yeah, I mean, my parents are coming this weekend. I'm excited about that. But I want to talk about the law of attraction. Discovered this YouTube channel, Jake Ducey. Jake Ducey creates a lot of positive mindset and law of attraction videos, and they're great. They're incredible. Like, he's so calm and he's so passionate that he inspires you. Like, he just makes you feel like everything is gonna be okay. But anyways, you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna provide a link in the description. You guys can check it out. He's pretty cool. But going back to the law of attraction, as far as the law of attraction goes, a lot of people feel like it's not real. A lot of people feel like it's bullshit. A lot of people feel like it's a waste of time. And I'm going to give you my 2 cents on the law of attraction. And the way I feel about the law of attraction is it does work, but it's kind of like a placebo effect. So with the law of attraction, this is the thing that people need to understand. It's not a genie in a magic lamp. You don't rub it and you say, hey, I want this. The law of attraction isn't Santa Claus. You don't write a letter to the universe and you're like, dear Santa, I've been good this year, I want $1 million. That's not the way the law of attraction works by any means. The way the law of attraction works is it opens your mind to the possibilities of what you want to accomplish, what you want to achieve. So what happens is it just creates positive vibes, because when we have mental roadblocks, we can't seem to come up with solutions, and that's just the way it works. So with the law of attraction, you put it in your mind that you're never gonna be successful, that you're never gonna lose weight, that you're never gonna fall in love, that you're never gonna make any money, you're never gonna be rich, any of these things. If these things have been instilled upon your mind since you were young, then in order for you to do the opposite, it's gonna take something dramatic, or you changing your mindset over a period of time in order for you to accomplish the things you want to accomplish. So for me, for example, a couple of years ago, I was working as a line cook and I was making $13 an hour, and I was like, every day. People, like, I would run into people, I would meet them, I'd go to bars, you know, I just run into people, meet new people, and they're like, so what are you doing? And at the time I'd be like, I'm a sous chef and I make $4,000 a month. Simple as that. That's what I was telling people. I was like, I'm a sous chef and this is how much I'm making a month. And eventually my hard work and me believing and telling people that I was a sous chef got me promoted to a sous chef position. So I mean, it's not that I was lying, it's just I was so confident in my ability and my talents and my hard work that I knew that it was going to eventually lead to that. So I worked my ass off, I had my work to show for it, and I eventually got the promotion that I deserved. And did the law of attraction have something to do with it? Yeah, because I could have just kept going, yeah, I'm a line cook, I'm a line cook, I'm a line cook, or I could just been like, nah, I'm a chef. So, you know, it's these little pep talks that you give yourself when you're by yourself and your subconscious starts to creep in. Like, if you ever notice you're by yourself and there's no one talking, the TV isn't on, phone is, you're not on your phone, anything, it's just like you and your thoughts, sometimes even when you're in the car, and you start, like, your subconscious starts to kick in, and it starts telling you things, and it's just like, you're basically having a mental conversation with yourself, the pep talk. And if you feed yourself positive thoughts, you have a positive mindset, then it's going to stay positive. But if you're not positive about things, then only negative things are going to keep popping up because you don't seem to find yourself solutions for the things that you want to fix in your life. So with me, for example, this year has been very difficult financially, and because of that, the stress of the financial stress has slowed down my progress with my online business, because it's just one of those things where it's just like, I'm so stressed about paying this bill that I don't have time to worry about creating a 1,500 word blog post. Like, what the fuck? I don't have time for that, you know? So now it's just one of the things where it's just like, well, Diana, you need to get yourself out from that situation you're in right now. And it's just like, stop thinking of yourself as a struggling entrepreneur and start thinking of yourself as an affiliate marketing entrepreneur. So what does being an affiliate marketing entrepreneur entail? It doesn't entail struggling. It doesn't entail, you know, complaining that you don't have money to pay your bills so you can't create content. No, I have to create content because that's my job. Like, that's what I want to do for the rest of my life. Then I need to get into the habit of doing that for the rest of my life. So that's something that I had to kick into gear, you know. And like I said, if I don't have the resources, I have to find the resources. Like The Rock said, I saw it in one of his videos and it inspired the crap out of me. And he said, work with what you got until, what is it? It was work with what you got until you can get what you want. It's as simple as that. You know, you work with what you got. You make the best of what you have. You make the best of your situation. You become resourceful. And then ultimately you start acquiring the things that you want. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes it just comes down to a lot of discipline. So for me, my financial stress is not because times are hard. It's because of money mismanagement. So if I'm going to run an online business, I have to get into the habit of budgeting myself accordingly, and I have to prioritize my business. So that's the kind of the point of my Millionaire Quest. Everything that I'm doing wrong, I want you guys to avoid, so you guys can avoid my headaches. And you guys, like, I'm literally building a direct path from zero to success with affiliate marketing and being a digital entrepreneur, because you guys are just gonna do everything that I did wrong. You guys are gonna be like, nope, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna go the right way. You know, Diana did this and it didn't work. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go this way. So basically, this is me right now, up and down with affiliate marketing and, you know, investing and saving my money and my Millionaire Quest. This is me. This is me. When I get to the top, as in once my business has ultimately supplemented and it's overpassed the income that I make from my current jobs, that's when I will know that all the hard work I've put in has paid off. And once that happens, I'm just gonna be like, guys, it's just straight through. This is, you're gonna take exit 1, you're gonna take, this is what you're gonna do, you're gonna do A, B, and C. You're not gonna do this, and that, because that's what I did, that's what I got wrong. So yeah, back to the law of attraction. If you always, like, something as small as today is gonna be a good day, it just changes your mood dramatically, because you're just like, nothing can go wrong unless I let it affect me, unless I let things get to me. So you can't let things get to you, and you have to remember that you have to trust the process and love the process. Sometimes, like, you know, some days are harder than others, some days are longer than others, some days wear you out. Last week Wednesday, I got a horrible pain in my chest. I hadn't eaten all day. I worked 15 hours. I was exhausted, guys. I was so tired. And then it's just like, I got home and I was like, everything is going to pay off. Everything I'm working towards right now is going to pay off. And all the sweat and all the tears, because I have cried a lot, I'm very sensitive. Like, all the hard work I've put in as a chef, as a line cook, into my business, you know, creating videos, providing content, creating training, you know, writing my ebook, everything that I've done up to this point is going to pay off. And the belief of that is what keeps me going. And if you don't believe that everything that you're going through now is because something better is waiting for you, then you have a problem. We need to fix that right away. Like I said, everyone has different situations, you know. You meet people and it's just like, you don't know what they're going through until you actually talk to them. You know, the other day I was talking to one of my friends. You know, I was talking to my cousin. I was like, hey dude, you know, you haven't been up here in a while. What's going on? He was like, times are hard, man. And I was like, I didn't know. You know, I talked to somebody else and I was like, oh, you know, blah, blah, blah. And they're like, well, you know what? My cousin is sick. My uncle is sick. And it's just like, you think everyone has it together and they actually don't. Everyone is going through their own shit. Everyone has their own battles they have to face. So it just comes down to what gets you up in the morning every day. And for me, like I said, the fact that I know I deserve something better. I know, I am certain that all the hard work I'm putting into creating these videos and creating content and providing value, like I said, and growing my business and helping other people do the same is what's going to pay off. And the belief that that's going to pay off is what keeps me going. So I think that's going to be it for this video. I'll probably post it today. I hope you got some value from this video. Like I said, I'm being brutally honest with you guys. Being an affiliate marketing entrepreneur isn't easy. A lot of people make it seem like it's just like, oh, you pick a niche and you create a website and you draw traffic and then that's it, it's over. And it's not. You know, you have to build a brand. And like for me, I'm just being, like I said, I'm being transparent as of now. It's not an easy road if you're not disciplined, and that's one thing I'm learning now. I'm learning to be disciplined as well as patient, because, you know, a lot of people, like with my blog, I think I have like 16, 17 blog posts up, and I started it from scratch again back in February, so that's 5 months now, and I only have 17 blog posts. If I posted every day, I'd have way more than that. If I posted once a week, I'd have way more than that, but I haven't been disciplined with it until now, where I'm posting at least once, twice a week. And now I'm back to posting on YouTube as well, once, twice a week, or once a week, once every other week. But yeah, it's all about discipline. It's all about, you know, daily habits. And like I said, I wake up every morning now and I'm just like, I believe, I know, I'm certain I am capable of creating an amazing blog post that's going to get ranked in the search engines, that people are going to read, that people are going to share, that's going to go viral. People are going to click on my affiliate links and I'm going to make some commissions. Those are the beliefs I have in me now, versus, oh, I'm going to be a millionaire. Oh, I'm going to make $1 million today. Like, some people feel like they go into the law of attraction and they're like, oh, the universe is, I believe the universe is going to bless me with $1 million. And then it's just like, the universe isn't going to just drop $1 a day or $100 bill a day. And you're like, oh my God, I became a millionaire. No, the universe, what's going to do is, when you believe you're capable of becoming a millionaire, is you're going to find opportunities everywhere. You're going to be like, oh, maybe I can do this. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I can do this. Perfect example, the YouTube channel I started with my cousin and my sister. I mean, as of right now, we don't really have any specific goals with it as far as financially, like turning it into a business or like going in on it really intensely. Right now, it's more of a fun thing that we're doing. Like I said, it's a way for us to keep in touch. I share the videos. My cousin watches them at home. You know, we share with our family. Our families love the videos. My parents love the videos. My mom thinks I'm adorable. That's right, sisters. I said it. But yeah, it's just one of those things where I'm having fun doing it. And before, I was really stressful about affiliate marketing, especially the make money online niche, because I just feel like sometimes you feel like you have to follow what everyone else is doing, and you know, not everyone is in the same situation. They're not in the same circumstances. They're not in the same place as you are, you know. So for me, this is my journey. I hope it resonates with your journey. I hope you're not discouraged, guys. Like, seriously, you don't understand. Like, when I first started affiliate marketing, I had a really good paying job and I was making like $2,000 a month, and I had like $3,000 in savings. I quit my job. I got into the first MLM and I lost all my, I didn't lose all my savings. I spent all my savings. Excuse me. And now, you know, fast forward 4 years later, it's just one of those things where I'm finally paying attention and I'm finally listening to what I need to, what I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm kind of doing things right. And that's one thing that, you know, people complain that, oh, you never learn anything right in school. School doesn't teach you anything about the real world. And the one thing that they do teach you is like the most important thing is just you have to listen. You have to listen. You have to take notes. You have to pay attention. It's as simple as that. If the teacher shows you how to solve a math problem with a certain equation, like for example, you're trying to solve for a right triangle, whatever. What is it? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. If you try to use another formula, you're never going to find the right answer. So the same thing goes with starting an online business, being a digital entrepreneur, and getting into affiliate marketing. There's a specific formula that works in this industry, and if you don't follow it, you're not going to be successful. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. I heard this the other day, and it's just like my biggest motivation, because I can't reinvent the wheel. I don't know how to invent the wheel in the first place. So why am I trying to reinvent my own wheel? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like as of right now, I'm finally starting to figure out that there is no secret formula, there is no secret sauce to making money online and to, you know, finding success with affiliate marketing. The key is to find someone that's doing it and follow that formula to a T. Don't try to take away steps, don't try to cut corners and find shortcuts. Just do it the way that you've been taught. And that's what I'm doing now. I've been taught, and they've been drilling it down my neck, and for some reason I wasn't listening, and that was basically that you have to create content that's consistent, and you have to build an email list, and that's all it comes down to, and that's all I'm working on now. And let me tell you something, the stress has diminished completely. Like, I used to be obsessed with, oh, I gotta post on Twitter, oh, I gotta connect with people on Twitter, I gotta connect with people on LinkedIn. Like, I still have a LinkedIn account that I created years ago, and people are still connecting with me, but I don't know how to log into it. And I honestly don't care for LinkedIn because I don't understand LinkedIn. You know, I was like, oh, I gotta connect with Google Plus. I gotta connect with Reddit. I don't understand Reddit. I'm not cool enough for Reddit. I'm not cool enough for StumbleUpon. I'm not cool enough for Tumblr. Like, I don't even think Tumblr is still a thing. Like, as of now, I create a blog post and I share it on my Facebook page, and then I share it to my personal Facebook profile, and then my friends share it, my sister shares it, and then on Instagram, I just have my affiliate link. Not my affiliate link. I have the link to my website in my profile. When I create a new blog post, I change it. When I create a new video, I want you guys to see it. I change it, and I post once, twice, 3 times a week. But I don't obsess over it, because my number one concern and my number two concern is creating content and drawing traffic to the content in my affiliate offers. And that's all it is. I don't understand why I complicated things so much before in the past. Like, I was trying to figure things out, and it's just like, now that I have the formula, that's all I'm sticking to it, and it's a way less stressful, and it's a lot more enjoyable too. You know, like, I can do this for the rest of my life. I can draw traffic and create content every day. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, you know? So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, I hope you got some valuable information. I mean, it was just me a little ranting about the law of attraction and basically what's going on with my life. I said I was going to do that. If you're ready to start your millionaire quest, ready to start with affiliate marketing, click the link below. I'm going to provide you with 10 free affiliate marketing lessons to get you started, so you know at least that you're headed in the right direction. I got you. Later on, there might be a bonus. What else? This weekend, like I said, my parents are coming, so I promised some Disney vlogs. I'm gonna do a Disney vlog this weekend. What else? That's it, guys. That's all I gotta say. Like I said, you know, the law of attraction, it's all up here. It's not that, you know, you wish to the, you know, you make a wish to the universe that you wish you were successful, and then the universe, boom, grants you successful. It's just that when you bring out to the universe and you tell the universe that you're gonna be successful, the universe gives you the tools and it opens the possibilities that you yourself weren't seeing before, because you're creating mental roadblocks to the possibilities of accomplishing anything that you want to accomplish. So like I said, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, that share button. If you have anything to say, comment. That's awesome. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys at the top, and take it easy.